Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little overview of doing PEDMSA or PEMDAS, as you can see right here. I just want to do a quick overview of what I expect you guys to do and how to solve problems, and then also seeing with like different symbols like we talked about yesterday. So let's go ahead and start. So like you always know, I want you guys to always write PEDMSA on the side. Now I know I've got PEMDAS over here, but I want you to write PEDMSA because that's what we've been practicing. Oops. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, so I don't see any parentheses, so I'm going to cross those out. I don't see exponents. I don't see division. I do see multiplication. I don't see subtraction, but I do see addition. So I've got 1, 2 operations, so I've got to have 2 steps. So the first step is I have to multiply because that's the first level. So this is like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So I have a level 3, so I've got to do that first. So I'm going to multiply first, and then I'm going to add. Okay, so my first step I have to do is 4 times 3. Excuse me. That's 12. Cross it out. Check it off. Bring everything else down. 5 plus 12 is 17. Make your pizza or your V for victory, and you're done. So it's pretty easy. So so something new that I showed you guys just now was we have our levels over here. Now level just means the hierarchy. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nothing fancy. And then over here we also just numbered our the operations. So I've got 2 operations. I'm going to mark 1 and 2. That way I know I'm using all the operations effectively like I'm supposed to be doing. So let's look at this next one. So this is the same problem, but the same numbers, just it's written a little bit differently. So yesterday we learned that numbers next to parentheses means multiply. So I'm going to write PEDMSA. I see 2 operations, so I have this one, and then when I see a number next to parentheses, I'm going to put a multiplication sign, so I see 2, so I'm going to label 1, 2. I do have parentheses. No exponents, no division. I do have multiplication, no subtraction, but I do have addition. So first I'm going to multiply. Then I'm going to add. So 4 times 3 is 12. Cross it out, check it off, bring everything else down. Get the same answer. Make your V, and you're done. Get that one. Let's work on this one. So this one says, now this means, since it's a fraction, so that means I have to divide last. So I've got to solve the top and bottom, then I'll divide. So I'm going to write PEDMSA. Looks like H. So I see 1 operation, 2 operations, 3 operations, because I have subtract, add, and then divide. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3. Now I see parentheses, no exponents, no multiplication. I do see subtraction, I do see addition. So first I've got to do subtraction because look, according to my hierarchy, according to my levels, I'm going to do, I've got both of them, but I've got to go from left to right, or top to bottom. So I'm going to subtract first, then add, then last I'll divide. So first I'm going to subtract. So 18 minus 3 is 15. Cross it out. And then essentially you bring everything else down so it'll look like this. Let me change my color. Okay, so then I'll check it off. Then I'm going to add, and I'll do 4 plus 1 is 5. Cross it out, bring everything else down. 15 divided by 5. If you don't know it, come over here to the side and do it, but you should know it because it's 3, and there's your answer. And there's your V for victory. All right, so there's just a quick overview. Sorry, y'all. a quick overview of how I expect it to be done. And so I'm going to have you guys work on your worksheet now. You guys are going to do them independently first. Get as much done as you can, and then you'll come back to me for the answers. Okay, y'all. So you just did this one, excuse me, and this one with me, and you also did this one. I want you to do this one, and this one, and this one by yourself, and then pause the video, and then you're going to come back and get the answers. Okay, y'all, so the operation in order for this one, you need to multiply. So I have 3 operations, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to multiply, subtract, and then add. Excuse me. And your answer should be 11. Okay. And then the next one, your operations in order were to do, you have 1, 2, 3. So I should have 3. And I'm going to add first, then multiply, and then divide. So you should have done 56 divided by 4, which gives you 14. And then the last one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 operations. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your first step, excuse me, y'all, I need to take some cough medicine. Your first step, you're going to do is in the parentheses, so you're going to go left to right. So you're going to do subtraction, addition, then subtract, and then divide. And your answer, when you work it out, you should end up with 14 again, because you should have gotten 28 on top, and then divide that by 2, and you're done. So if you got all 3 right, you made a 3. If you got 2 right, you made a 2. If you got 1 right, you made a 1. If you got 0 right, you made a 1, and I'm not very happy about that. So these 2, we should not be at. Okay, if you made one of these, you're not in very good shape right now. So please make sure that you are doing what you need to do your best next time. And then please go ahead and turn this paper into your rotation bucket for a grade.